Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, the computer I'm working with is an Asus Chromebook model CX22N. I will have the full model number below in the description. And I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing guys, if you have any questions, remember to check out the FAQs below in the description. That could save you some time looking for an answer. But if you do need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I try to answer those a few times a day at least. Okay, so to get started, we're going to remove all the screws on our bottom case. You have these 4 in the back, these 4 in the front, and these 3 in the middle. Now, as you notice in all of my videos when I'm working on a computer, I have it sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any of the upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model computer, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all those tools and replacement parts for this computer, as well as all the supplies that I use. Another thing of note on this computer, if you notice, these screws here in the front are shorter, the screws in the back are longer. So make sure you keep those separate and you put them in the right spot when you go to put the computer back together. You could damage some things, and you could also have that screw go right through the palm rest. So after you take those screws off, I'm going to take my small flat metal pry tool. I'm going to go along the side of this and pop up the bottom case from the rest of the computer. Now when you're doing this, don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to pop up that bottom case from the rest of the computer. And the bottom case comes off like that. As with any computer repair, the first thing you do when you get inside a computer is unplug or remove your battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. So here's your battery right here, and it plugs into the motherboard right there. So this kind of plug, it's a snap plug. So to unplug that from the motherboard, I'm going to take my small flat plastic pry tool, and if you see on the right hand side here, there's a silver metal bar. I'm going to slide that this way to release that plug. So just slide it like that, just a little bit. And now I can put my pry tool underneath each side of the battery plug and just pop it off, just like that. So that's how you unplug the battery. To remove the battery, there's a screw here, 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 and I think that's all of them. So just 4 screws. Let's take those out. And again, make sure you're keeping these screws or any screws separate from other screws in the computer. These are not the same size screws that went into your bottom case. And that should be, yep, so that releases your battery, but make sure you watch out for this. If you can see down here, your speaker red wire is run through the battery. So make sure you don't just rip out your battery because it runs through there. It may even help to take a picture of this so you're sure to run the wires exactly how they need to be run when you put your battery back. So I'm going to take my small flat plastic pry tool, and it's going to help me get these cords out of the battery. Just like that, so the battery can come up. Your speakers, as you can see, are right down here. They're not screwed down at all. You can see the little orange rubber washers that are around these posts for sound insulation. That's all that holds these down. So to get your speakers up, you would just pull those right off of those posts, just like that, and it plugs into the motherboard there. Now usually in a computer, it's best to not pull on the wires when unplugging something. It's best to just manipulate the plug. You can damage the wires, and sometimes you can pull the wires right out of the plug. But on this plug, there's not a lot of room there. So I'm going to do a combination of slowly pulling on the wires, wiggling it a little bit, while trying to pry it out with my pry tool. Take as much pressure off of those wires as possible. Ooh, that actually came out very easily. So that was a big overreaction. Generally good advice for computers, but that came out really easily. I will have the part numbers for these speakers below in the description. I will also have replacement speakers in that list I told you about with the replacement tools and supplies for this computer. But that's the video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and share if it was. If you have any questions, guys, check out the FAQs below in the description. That could save you some time looking for an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I try to get to those at least a couple times a day. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.